Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be doing an unboxing on this package that I received from Influenster. And I'm pretty sure everybody and their mamas know what Influenster is, but in case you don't know, I'm about to tell you. So basically, Influenster, it is a free subscription that anybody can go in there and subscribe. They will give you some snaps, that's how they call it, and you fill those out. That way they have an idea what to send you. It is an amazing website if you are a consumer, which all of us, we all are. Like I said, they will send you free stuff and they are free. You don't have to review them or anything. But if you would like them to keep sending you boxes, the best way to do that is by completing badges and reviewing things. I'm gonna leave the Influencer link on the description box in case you guys want to check it out. But I'm sure everybody already has it. But let me just show you what is in the box and then we can just set it all up together, okay? So I already took the tape out and this is what is inside. It's just another box, a box in a box. And the first thing that I see like in the side of it is batteries, which I don't want to complain because this is free. It was free, but if I had to buy 8 batteries for this to work, it's not gonna work. And then we just have a white box, and you guys are wondering what the heck did I get? Well, they are lights, beauty lights. This is the most random thing that Influencer have ever sent to me. Normally then they send me like makeup and stuff, like high-end makeup, but for whatever reason they thought I would like this and they were not wrong. After I set everything up, I will take a picture and put it on my Instagram. And if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, I will leave my name right here and please go follow me if that's something that you would like to do, okay? We have here some I don't know the name, sucking things. I guess you just like stick it in the mirror, and this is how the lights looks like. They came perfectly packaged with this little pouch, which feels super nice. I love this. And we got the instructions, and we also got a mirror. Let me get these babies out and see how they actually looks like. Okay, and it just has something for you to hang it if you want to, or you just put the sucking thingies in there like this. And that's everything that was in the box. I'm gonna put the batteries in and then I'm gonna change the setup so you guys can see my vanity and just see me setting everything up, okay? I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I already put the batteries in and I just wanted to show you real quick that here's the on button. It's like on the top and you just, and it's on. So as you guys can see, this is my mess. I'm just gonna have to switch things around a little bit for this to be able to fit. So I'm gonna do that. You guys can watch me.
I'm glued to the pavement between the lines. I'll keep my gaze straight ahead as the last stop flies by. No more waiting for the gun to fire. No more walking through revolving doors. I've gone around once and I don't need to go around anymore.
So that is it for today. Thank you so much for tuning in, and as you guys can see, they look absolutely amazing. I'm in love with them. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys on the next one.